Good. In this presentation, we are going to answer this question on frustum. Okay, so this is question under mensuration. Consider the diagram below. So this is the question that we have. Then the question is calculate the value of R if the height of the cone from which the frustum was made was 60 centimeter. Then calculate the volume of the frustum. You take pi as 3.142. So here what I'm just trying to give you is the concept on how you can answer questions that are being brought like this. Okay, so what have we been given here? We have been given the ledgers of basic frustum, and also have been given the top ledgers here and the height of the frustum, which is 40 centimeter. And what we have been asked is to find what the value of R. Then the other information that we have been given is the total height of this cone before it has been cut into this frustum, which is what 60 centimeter. And we know when you talk of a cone, so when you talk of a cone, it's something like this. Let's say when we extend this, we put something like this. So this is a cone. So once we extend, it looks like this. This is a cone. So then we have been told that from here up to this side here, the height here, the height of this cone is what 60 centimeter. So this is what 60 centimeter before it is being what cut. What it is we have been given the height of the cone from here to there, which is what 60 centimeter, and this is what the ledgers. Okay, so now the height of the cone, or of the top cone where it is cut to make what the frustum. So here the height from here to there, we need to find it. How are we going to find? We are going to subtract what 40, the height of what of the frustum, from what the height of the cone. Okay, so here we just say 60 minus what 40. So which means from here to there we're going to have what a 20. So here it's 20 centimeter. So this is the height of the smaller what of the smaller cone. So from here up to this side we are going to have 20 centimeter. Okay, we are going to have 20 centimeter there. So having here 20 centimeter, again we need to find the value of what R. So here we are going to use the proportion. Okay, so this proportion, we are saying that 20, which is height, okay, 20 from here to there, it is height, then is equal to, it's the ratio, so is equal to the height of the whole cone, which is 60. Okay, 60 we have been given here in this question. So it's 60, then the 20 is the top what cone, then from here to there it's 60, from here to there it's what 20, then is equal to the ledgers here, it's R, we have not been given, over the base ledgers. The base ledgers here it's what 30. So now we can calculate the ledgers. So we just multiply this by this by this. So this times this, what do we get? Or we find the reciprocal of what? The reciprocal of 30, which we are going to multiply to the both sides. So it will be 30 over 1. So even this side, even this side, it will be 30 over 1. Okay, something like this. So 30 there will go, will remain with R. Okay, is equal to, then here we've got 30 there, it's what? It's 2 into 20, how many times? It's 10 centimeter. So here we are saying that the the top ledgers there, it is what, 10 centimeters. So this is our answer, it is 10 centimeters. Remember, this is paper 2. You can use a calculator. The other way of doing this, if at all you find it difficult to use the reciprocal, which is 20 there over 60 is equal to R over 30. So you do this times this times this. So 60 times R, we are going to have 60. R is equal to this and this. We are going to have 600. Okay, we are going to have 600. Then over 60, even this side over 60. So 60 to reduce R is equal to, then 0 will go. How many times can 6 go into 6? It's 1. Then 6 into 0, it's 0. So it is what, 10 centimeters. It's one and the same thing. So this is the value of R. You get a 2 mark by just answering or finding the value of R. Then the other one, the volume of the frustum. So the volume of a frustum, remember the formula that which is simple and which is simple and straightforward. Okay, simple and straightforward. The formula we say V is equal to pi h over 3. Okay, which is like this. So we've got the ledgers, the big one, plus the ledgers, then small ledgers, plus ledgers, smaller one. You square it. So like this, again, you just replace the values that you have been given. So V is equal to there our height. So here now the height that we are going to use, since it's a frustum, we are going to use 40. We are not going to use this 60. We can only use 60 if at all we want to find the volume of the cone, of the whole cone. So now here it's just the frustum up to this level. We are going to use what? A 40 height. Okay, 40 height. So we'll say pi, which is 3.142, then times 40, then over 3. Okay, so we have something like this, 3.142 times 40 over 3. Then open bracket, here R is 30, the big one is 30, squared, plus small big R is 30 times small one, which is 10. Okay, and then we can do this plus our R again is 10 squared, like this. Okay, so having this, you can place them direct on your calculator or you can work them. So here we have 3.142 times 40, which is height, over 3. Then open bracket, here we have 900 plus, here we've got a 300 plus, here you've got 100. Okay, so these are squares. Once you square them, here you multiply, you're going to have something like this. Then when you add this, we know when you add this and this, we're going to have 1200 plus this one, so it's going to give us 1300. Okay, so we're going to have V is equal to 3.142 by 40, then over 3, then times, when you had this and this, 1200 plus this one 1300. So here we're going to have 1300. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. Then so here you can compute this on your calculator. Then what value are you going to get? So once we compute this on the calculator, the value that we are going to have is 5, 4, 1.333333 centimeter cube. So this is the answer. So now we can round off this answer to the nearest, we'll say 1 decimal point, to the nearest 1 decimal point or place. So here our answer will be V is equal to 54,461.3 centimeter cube. So this is our volume. Then emphasis on the calculator. When you find the value, this value, as you can see here, it has got this side, this is a comma here, this one is a comma, so this comma separates what? Thousands. Okay, so do not write comma as if you are writing a point, which means you are going to make what? To make your statement to be what? Long. Okay, you will make a statement to be long. So here we are saying that this is 54,000. If at all you can't differentiate a comma from a point, please just write it like this. Don't put a comma to separate what? Thousands, because some of the commas that you put, they look like what? A point, and that can result in losing of what? Marks. Okay, so please, you can just write like this, and then where there's a point, you just say point. That's when you can write the decimal numbers that are on the other side of your figure. Thank you very much.